The Circuit de Marrakech was turned into a challenging course that put the RS5 through its paces. Tight curves, slalom sections, and designated drift zones presented real and demanding driving conditions, with a clear focus on agility, precision, and cornering performance. Straight off the starting line, the RS5 demonstrates how precisely and directly it responds to steering inputs. The torque distribution continuously adapts to the driving situation and enables nimble turns as well as a stable line at higher speeds. Even with rapid load changes, the vehicle remains poised, under control, and superbly balanced thanks to its brand new Quattro drivetrain with dynamic torque control. This enables electromechanical torque vectoring at the rear axle and transfers torque between the wheels with lightning speed and precision, resulting in agile steering, maximum stability, and controlled acceleration even out of the tightest bends. The high-performance plug-in hybrid is the first production RS model to feature a modular electrified powertrain, Quattro, with dynamic torque control. At its heart are an improved 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 with 503 horsepower, 600 Nm of torque, and an electric motor with 174 horsepower, 460 Nm deliver an impressive system output of 630 horsepower and 825 Nm of torque. The hybridized 8-speed gearbox and a completely new rear transaxle with electromechanical torque vectoring, a world first in a production model. An actuator, overdrive gears, and a differential combine to intelligently transfer torque between the rear wheels. The electric motor and the 400-volt electrical system are powered by a battery with a capacity of 25.9 kilowatt-hours and form the basis for electric propulsion in the RS5. They contribute to acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in an impressive 3.6 seconds. The electrical system furthermore plays a key role in torque distribution via electromechanical torque vectoring, the defining feature of Quattro with dynamic torque control. The Audi RS5 also boasts an all-electric range of up to 84 kilometers, up to 87 kilometers in the city. Using three-phase alternating current, the potent plug-in hybrid charges at up to 11 kilowatts, meaning the high-voltage battery is charged to 100% in just 2.5 hours. Be it everyday driving or canyon carving, the electrified drivetrain offers a wide range of characteristics, between whisper-quiet motoring in town and exploring the outer limits of brawny power delivery. The electric motor also ensures the RS5 feels like an RS model when driving electrically too. The route heads from the Circuit de Marrakech to the expanses of the Atlas Mountains. On the tight switchback roads, the powerful plug-in hybrid puts its full versatility to use, demonstrating a harmonious balance of performance and comfort. Here, the RS Sport suspension with innovative twin-valve shock absorbers shows off its full range. On lower-lying roads with uneven surfaces, the shock absorbers cushion even the smallest bumps. Higher up, they respond instantly to every body movement, up rough climbs and through rocky channels. Pitch and roll are noticeably reduced, making the drive feel smooth and controlled on any surface, but especially in the tight bends of the mountain passes. Steering remains precise, even when the road opens up again after a steep bend. On the passes, where boulders hug the roadside, it conveys a sense of absolute control. In all-electric mode, the RS5 glides almost silently through the mountain villages. Whenever the road becomes more challenging, the combustion engine and the electric motor join forces to provide superior power reserves that can be used for long climbs or winding switchbacks. On the passes of the Atlas Mountains, the driving feel is what the RS5 stands for, a blend of easy confidence and athletic energy, perfectly attuned to an environment that could hardly be more demanding. The interplay of light and shade gives its broad shoulders, flared fenders, and three-dimensional single-frame a particularly vivid look. The darkened matrix LED headlights and the digital daytime running light signature in a checkered flag design lend the car a striking and powerful presence. The endurance test in Morocco shows how confidently the new RS5 handles changing conditions and how versatile modern performance can be. The car not only masters the racetrack, but also promises real everyday usability in a new electrified form.